everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. And today's video guys, we're not gonna do a try on because I don't have time. I'm so very busy, and as I posted last time that my brother has my brother is in the hospital. So yeah, he's over a month in the hospital. I put the picture here. So this picture is after the bladder surgery, because as I said, he has a tumor in his bladder, and he had a surgery, but sadly the tumor is not removed perfectly or 100% removed as the doctor said. And I'm here to ask you a help. If you have an extra dollars, extra money, I raise a GoFundMe. Hopefully that I can gather some money to pay the hospital bill, because we are running out of money to pay the bills in the hospital. So that's it guys. It's very sad, and I don't know what to say. And to those who already donated some amount of money for the GoFundMe that I created, thank you so much, and God bless you all guys. Thank you. Have a good one. Bye.